In today's video, we have an exciting topic to delve into. We'll be exploring a collection of incredible free AI apps that are revolutionizing the way we interact with digital content. Let's jump right in and discover the world of free AI apps that will elevate your content creation game. Number 1. Immerse. Immerse is a free AI image search engine that allows you to find similar but different free images with royalty-free licenses. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze the visual features of images and retrieve visually similar images from its database. Number 2. ToonTap. ToonTap is a free AI cartoon filter app that turns photo portraits into cartoons, resembling characters from Disney Pixar movies and other animated films. It applies artistic filters and transforms your photos into vibrant and stylized cartoon versions. Number 3. WatermarkRemover.io. WatermarkRemover.io is a free AI watermark remover app that helps you remove watermarks from images. It utilizes machine learning algorithms to detect and intelligently remove watermarks while preserving the original image quality. Number 4. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a free text-to-video editor that generates videos by combining stock videos with text. Number 5. Canva. Canva is a free AI photo editing app that allows you to turn photos into artwork, apply various filters, and enhance images. It offers a wide range of creative tools and features, including advanced options like the Magic Eraser and Magic Edit, which enable you to make precise edits and transformations. Number 6. Erase.bg. Erase.bg is a free AI background remover app that removes backgrounds from images. It utilizes advanced computer vision algorithms to automatically detect and remove the background, providing you with a transparent or customizable background for your images. Number 7. Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a free automatic video editor that generates video montages and offers video filters, background removal, and auto-generation of video captions. It utilizes AI algorithms to analyze and process your video footage, apply various effects and enhancements, and create polished and professional-looking videos. Number 8. Character.ai. Character.ai is a free AI chat app where you can chat with different characters, including celebrities and fictional characters. It uses natural language processing and AI algorithms to simulate conversations and provide interactive experiences. It can be used as an assistant or a therapist, offering engaging and personalized interactions. Number 9. Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is a free AI art app that generates artwork. It requires installation and technical setup, but it offers powerful art creation capabilities. Using advanced deep learning techniques, it can generate unique and visually appealing artworks based on your input or randomization. Number 10. Replicate. Replicate is a free image upscaler that increases the resolution of images without reducing quality. It employs AI algorithms to analyze and enhance image details, allowing you to upscale images while maintaining their sharpness and clarity. Number 11. BrandCrowd. BrandCrowd is a free brand name generator that generates brand names based on your description or keywords. It employs AI techniques to generate creative and memorable brand names, assisting entrepreneurs and businesses in their branding efforts. Number 12. BigSpeak AI. BigSpeak AI is a free text-to-speech app that generates AI voiceovers for your text. It utilizes advanced speech synthesis technologies and AI models to convert written text into natural-sounding speech, offering customizable voices and pronunciation options. Number 13. DeepAI. DeepAI is a free AI image restoration app that adds color to old black and white photos and enhances image quality. Using deep learning algorithms, it can analyze and interpret grayscale images, inferring and applying appropriate colors to bring them to life. Number 14. TinEye. TinEye is a free reverse image search engine that helps you find similar images based on an uploaded image. By utilizing advanced image recognition algorithms, it scans its extensive database and retrieves visually similar images, making it useful for various purposes, including copyright protection and image identification. These apps offer a wide range of AI-powered features for tasks such as image search, cartoon filtering, watermark removal, video editing, photo editing, background removal, chat interactions, art generation, image upscaling, brand name generation, text-to-speech conversion, image restoration, and reverse image search. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech insights, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.